To start up a new Ayra sanitizer machine for the first time, first, open the door with the key provided, remove the power cable inside. Open the canister of Xaniero silver ion liquid and remove the cap. Before placing the tank of the bottom of the machine, insert the group of the two tubes and the level sensor inside the canister. Screw the cap already present, making sure that the longer tube and the level sensor have been completely inserted till the bottom of the tank. Connect the line power wire from the rear of the machine and turn on the power button. The machine may already start at this time. Make sure that the man-out selector is set to man on the left, and that the fan potentiometer is set above 0. To use the machine in daily mode, let the machine regulate autonomously the emission of the liquid during the day. You need to adjust the liquid quantity and pause potentiometers according to the size of your environment, as described in this table. For example, now we are going to set up the machine for a room of about 250 cubic meters, in which there is a modest passage of people during the day. If we need to sanitize a room immediately, as quickly as possible, we use the fast mode. Set the liquid quantity and pause potentiometers to a maximum level and leave the machine in the room for the time indicated in this table, again based on the size of the room. Now we are going to show how to set the timer to start and stop the machine at a programmed time. First of all, to make sure that the machine can be controlled by the timer, set the man-out selector to out on the right. We have to set the current time and date of the timer. First, press the reset button with a fine pin to cancel any previously recording. Once reset, hold the button with the clock logo, and in the meantime press the D+ button to select the current day. Still holding down the clock button, press H+ to select the hour and do the same thing with the M+ button to set up the minutes. To program the machine starting time, press the P button. The writing 1 on will appear on display. Select the group of the days or the single day you prefer for starting by pressing the D+ button. Now I'm choosing Friday. Do the same thing with the H+ and M+ buttons for hours and minutes. Now I'm choosing the 8 o'clock AM. Confirm pressing the P button. 1 off will appear on display to program the shutdown time. Select, as before, the day, the hour and the minute that you prefer for the shutdown. Now let's see how to select the power supply with the line cable or with battery, switching the main battery selector. During operation with line power, it does not matter where the selector is positioned, the batteries will be charging. Without line power, the selector must be positioned on battery, in order to make the machine works on battery power supply.